The application of music in worshipping Confucius Temple originated from Wen, Emperor of the Shui dynasty. The Dacheng pieces of tunes and lyrics used at the worshipping ceremony were officially compiled by Dacheng, magistrate at the reign of Wei Cheng, Emperor of the North Song dynasty. There were 14 pieces. Until the 5th year of Hongwu, Emperor of the Ming dynasty, the emperor chose 6 out of the 14 pieces and promulgated them to the various magistrates and counties. The 6 pieces have been used in the Ming and Qing dynasties and even after the founding of the Republic of China. The lyrics of current pieces of tunes used in worshipping Confucius have been partially revised, but the tunes are the same. This is to meet the requirements of the modern day. The musical instruments used when worshipping Confucius are called 8 kinds of sounds, which adhere to ancient ceremonial system. The 8 kinds of sounds are differentiated with musical instruments of different materials. They are sound of the calabash, panpipe; sound of bamboo, pie flute; dong flute, bamboo flute; qi bamboo flute, pipe; sound of wood, sounding box, chu; wooden tiger, yu; chongdu; sound of silk strings, Chinese lute; Chinese guitar; sound of earthenware, ocarina shun; sound of metal, yun bell; ancient bow bell; carillon; sound of stone, de qing; pianqing; sound of stretching hives, jin drum; qian drum; yin drum; skull drum; bofu drum. There are 6 pieces of tune in a ceremony to worship Confucius. 3 pieces of the tune of Xianghou. The tune of Ninghou, the tune of Anhou, and the tune of Qinghou. Every tune has 128 beats. The tunes are solemn and grand. When Shitian ceremony proceeds to God greeting ceremony in worshipping Confucius, the first piece of tune, namely the tune of Xianhou, is played. When the worshipping proceeds to the ceremonies of presenting and retreating food, the 1st to 4th sections and the 5th to 8th sections of the 2nd piece of tune are performed. When the worshipping proceeds from the Shitian ceremony to incense presenting, first offering, 3 bow ceremonies, the tune of Ninghou is played. When the worshipping proceeds from the Shitian ceremony to the 2nd offering ceremony, the tune of Anhou is played. When the worshipping proceeds from the Shitian ceremony to the final offering ceremony, the tune of Qinghou is played. When the worshipping proceeds from the Shitian ceremony to the gods' send-off, fire-looking ceremonies, the 3rd piece of the tune of Xianhou is played. Chinese traditional music has long served edifying purposes. The purpose of saints setting up ceremonies and tunes was to bring an order to society and form an exchange of people's peaceful and serene emotions. We, in addition to solemnity and grandness, felt in the traditional music played at the ceremony to worship Confucius, also see the function of the said music in propagating his great contribution in educating saints and fine talents.